In this problem, we're given two circles, and their radii are k and k plus 5.2. The difference between the area of these two circles is 59.28 pi, so we want to determine the value of k expressed as an exact decimal. So one circle has a radius of k, another circle, larger, has an area of k plus 5.2. So the area of this circle is pi times the radius squared, so pi k squared. The other one has an area of pi times k plus 5.2 squared. So when we expand this, we get k squared plus 10.4k plus 27.04. So now what we need to do is we need to subtract these. So when we subtract these, well, the only part that's they have in common is this. So what's left over? What's left over is 10.4k plus 27.04, and that equals, whoops, I forgot the pi, and that equals 59.28 pi. So what we have to do is we have to solve for k. So if we divide pi out of both of these, we have 10.4k plus 27.04 equals 59.28. So we subtract 27.04, so 10.4k equals 32.24, and then when we divide by 10.4, we get k equal to 3.1. And there's our answer, and we're done.